5 years. Today we are coming for the different ideas for home decor. Chandelier, you are watching on the screen. Chandelier light. You decor your home with the different waste materials. You are watching the tennis balls made. You are watching the small umbrellas make chandelier. You are watching different flowers and different toys used for chandelier. You are watching another idea of the photo frames. You are watching the a chandelier decorate with birds, different items. You are watching a new idea of chandelier. You are watching a chandelier made with the waste bottles. You are watching different waste things made in the chandelier, handmade chandelier. You are watching the laces and you are watching the wall decor chandelier lights. You are watching roof hanging chandelier light. You are watching a new idea, unique idea of chandelier making. You are watching the chandelier idea with rope. You are watching different magazines and different photos made for chandelier. You are watching wall hanging, door hanging make. You are watching using old jar bottles for light. You are watching chandelier using different items. You are watching another chandelier using with the pieces of cloths. You are watching use laces for chandeliers. You are watching idea how to make chandelier at home. You are watching a new idea for ribbons. Chandelier make for with ribbons. You are watching different ideas. You are watching the coins decorate with chandelier. You are watching another idea, different birds and different items hanging with chandelier. You are watching a traditional idea for making chandelier lights, roof light. You are watching uh, chandelier wall hanging. You are watching another idea of chandelier, beautiful colorful idea. You are watching white theme, white and blue contrast.